So Fred, you're a real estate agent from the United States?
Yes, sir.
Based in Detroit?
Yes.
And you came to the show, why? What
To expand on my business and go international, global, just to get my name out there.
Okay.
Marketing.
And has it been successful for you so far?
Yes, very successful.
Good, that's what we like to hear. Detroit has been a keen investment opportunity now for several years, hasn't
Yes.
it? I mean,
Yes.
we all know that after the crash, Detroit was hurt really, really badly.
Yes, it was.
And at one stage, there were some of us thought that it was a basket case and that it was just going to get implode.
No, it's turning around.
But you brought it back.
Yes.
That's the point, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You don't find houses on sale in Detroit for $1 anymore.
No, not anymore. That's over. That's in the past.
But there are still some really interesting investment opportunities there.
Yes, 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 yes.
What sort of price is someone going to have to pay for an investment property in Detroit? Not a basket case, one that's in a reasonable neighborhood with a reasonable rate of return.
A good investment could get you $50,000.
$50,000.
Yeah, with a 12% to 15% return.
Okay, and what sort of neighborhood is that going to be?
It's a good neighborhood.
Safe, secure neighborhood.
Safe, secure.
And what sort of tenants will you be getting in that property?
School teachers.
School teachers. Okay,
Yes.
so not people who are going to break the place up, default on their rent and all that sort of stuff.
Of course, you got to screen them thoroughly.
Of course, yes. One of the difficulties of investing thousands of miles away is identifying what's available in the marketplace.
Yes.
How do people tackle that? They come to you.
Yes, 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 yes.
And one of the things I think people in this country don't really understand is that you have this wonderful MLS system in America where you can go to one agent and they have access to all the properties in the state, maybe even in the country.
Yes, they do.
You don't do what you have to do in this country, which is go from agent A to agent B to agent C just to see the ones they've got on their list.
No, they find us and we'll take care of everything for them.
So really, if they have confidence in you as an agent, then
We
you
can
can
handle
deal with the
everything.
whole thing from them from beginning to end.
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What sort of person is investing from the UK in Detroit at the moment?
Well, I'm dealing with quite a few investors right now, and they're coming in, like I say, around 50K.
Yeah.
They'll get them
And
something.
are they older, younger?
It varies.
Yeah. So
Very.
cross section.
Yeah, cross.
And they're just looking for rental yield, are they?
Yes.
Rental yield and capital growth.
Yes.
Which is more important to them, do you think?
Rental growth.
Numbers? Are we having lots of British investors now, or is it still a minority interest?
Yeah, there's a lot coming. There's a lot coming, and I'm coming here to introduce more.
Yeah. And are they generally buying one investment property, or are they buying 2, 3, 4, 10?
2, 3, 4 at a time.
Yeah. But of course, 2, 3, 4 at a time is still only $200,000.
Less than that.
Do you find that there is finance available for them, or is it something they've got to have cash up front for?
Cash up front. I know I've got quite a few asking about finances, so when I get home, that's something I need to find out about financing.
Yeah. But I mean, finance for that sort of property is not going to be easy in the US, particularly for a foreign investment.
Exactly.
So it's really, these are investments for people who've got some money already.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes.